Regular HVAC maintenance keeps your system running efficiently and extends its lifespan. A well-maintained HVAC system can lower energy bills and improve indoor air quality. Ignoring small HVAC issues can lead to costly repairs or even system failure. At Spears AC and Heating, we specialize in professional HVAC maintenance and repair in Seabrook, TX. Our experienced technicians handle everything from routine tune-ups to complex repairs. We service all major HVAC brands and ensure your system is running at peak performance. Strange noises, weak airflow, or uneven temperatures. We diagnose and fix problems fast. Dirty filters, refrigerant leaks, or worn-out parts. We take care of it all. A sudden breakdown in the heat of summer or the chill of winter. We offer prompt service. Preventative maintenance helps you avoid unexpected repairs and keeps your home comfortable year-round. We provide honest assessments and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Our team is dedicated to reliable, high-quality service that you can trust. Breathe easier knowing your HVAC system is in expert hands. Schedule your maintenance or repair with Spears AC and Heating today. Call us at 832-420-2665 for fast, professional HVAC service. Visit www.spearsairconditioning.com to learn more.